Morning guys, how the devil are you? Well, excellent, me too, thank you very much for asking. What a great start to my Saturday, feeling good. It's been a bit of a downer of a week, a bit of a down curve. Loads of stuff that was meant to be happening got moved around or cancelled and stuff, and it just felt like everything was happening all at the same time. Just kept trying to find the positives out of it. Sometimes that's easier said than done. Almost to the point actually that yesterday I didn't do any vlogging whatsoever. I did, however, replace some work in the afternoon with some drone work. I was doing some work with the farming guys again, and this is what I managed to capture. So it wasn't a complete loss. I had to find the positives. That was one of my positives from last week. Today I'm going to crack into the editing of that content. I've also got some stuff to edit for Barry at BGM Plumbing as well. I'm doing some work with them every single month, looking after their social media, helping them reach a bigger audience, but getting more people interested in what it is that they do, and boiler servicing and all this kind of stuff. Because one of the big things a lot of people do is they get a boiler in the house for the central heating, and they wait until winter. So like the gorgeous weather right now, beautiful, but you don't think about what's going to happen further down the line. So like when it comes to winter and you turn your heating back on and it doesn't actually work. So what I'm trying to do is help Barry help people understand that actually if they ask for a boiler service now, they'll get it done rather than waiting until October, November, December, when the chances are Barry can't actually do it, and then they get annoyed because it can't be done. So if that's you, have a think about it right now, and no matter where you are, speak to your local plumbing firm and get yourself a boiler service done now, because it's not going to cost you any less now than it would do later in the year. It's going to cost exactly the same at any point in the year, but at least you've got peace of mind that you know your boiler's going to work when it comes to turning it back on again in October, November, December, when the weather turns to shit. And it will do, we live in the UK. Anyway, right, I'm going to lay down on this thing for a bit, have a quick massage, and then I'm going to crack on with some of that work. Okay then, managed to smash out a lot of work, and also had a surprise visit from George. He's back in the UK, so I had a quick chat with him as well. Have not seen him in God knows how long. Anyway, really good to see him. I'm going to catch up on Monday properly because I've had to shoot off and collect Susanna from work. But yeah, he's good. Met Tilda, said hello, grabbed a bite to eat, and yeah, now I'm going to go do my thing. Morning, how the devil are you? Excellent, me too, thank you very much for asking. It is another glorious day. We're currently sat in the shade eating ice cream, and we've headed out for the day today. Mainly because it's nice to have a bit of a break now and again, especially on such a glorious day. Susanna is sat in the shade, keeping herself cool. I am sat in the sunshine, getting a tan, and yeah, it's lovely. However, we have come out today just to find anywhere to go to. We didn't really know where we were heading, we just drove. We've ended up at a place called Stourhead, which is owned by the National Trust. It looks like a beautiful place, however, slightly overpriced would be the word of the day. Overpriced, definitely. £17 to get in to walk around the lake per person. So umming and ahhing about whether that's really worth it, especially since we walked around the lake in Slovakia for free. So we're probably not going into Stourhead. Alright then, so yes, we decided to go against going into Stourhead House. We drove just down the road to Salisbury, came to the beautiful Old Sarum Castle, which is just over there behind my shoulder. Beautiful place, a lot cheaper to get in, and actually where we're walking right now, which is around the edge of the castle, this beautiful landscape, watching the guys parachute in and everything else like that, is completely free. So it just shows what you can find that doesn't cost anything in this country. It's fairly rare, to be honest. Unfortunately, everything seems to be out to try and get your money, and a lot of it at that. But this, absolutely free, just a couple of quid to park up, and we can walk anywhere we want, just not into the castle. And even then, that's only 5 quid. Guys, I'm going to hit the sack fairly soon. I've still got a little bit of work I want to try and crack into and get done for George Swift, whose vlogs I edit on a daily basis. So I'm just going to get that all done and dusted, and then I'm going to hit the sack. It is crazy warm again at the moment in an evening, and the temperatures haven't been like that skyrockety hot, but we haven't had rain in a long time, and we need something to cool it down a little bit. At night it is so warm, hence I won't go any lower than that, but hence not wearing a t-shirt in an evening because it's just so damn hot. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with this. I'm going to get all the stuff that I need to do uploaded for George, and then I'm going to hit the sack. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning when I'm meeting with the other George, Mr. Benson, and we're going to come up with some ideas for moving forward with some bits and pieces. So I'll see you then down at David Lloyd's. Sleep tight, don't let the bugs bite. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget as well, if you've not downloaded it yet, my free cheat sheet for Facebook Live is available down in the comments and in the description box even below. Go and click on that, download it, get yourself that Facebook Live cheat sheet, start making your Facebook Live content, especially if you're a brand or a business. It will really make a big difference to you building your brand. Not quickly, but strongly with raving fans. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye!